Boddie Williams.
Why does it look like? Look at the bed. Why is the bed? Alright, guys, so we have another weird one. This is 24 cats being found frozen alive inside some woman's apartment. Guys, can we... Oh, yeah. Let's see what's up.
Check spirals into a nightmare when a chilling discovery is uncovered in the freezer. Nightmare. A routine welfare check spirals into a nightmare when a chilling discovery is uncovered in the freezer.
Come on. Oh, my God.
This is Inside the Crime, presented by Law&Crime. I'm Elizabeth Millner. The home was crawling with fleas and reeked of urine and feces, but the real shock came when the little girl revealed a hidden horror she had been living with all along.
On there and take pictures.
Some of the what now?
Dead cats are in the freezer.
It's July 2nd of 2025. We're in Trumann, Arkansas. Around noon, an anonymous call comes in prompting a welfare check at a local home. Just before 1 p.m., officers arrived to the home of 38-year-old Samantha Platz.
Trumann Police welfare check. Come to the door, please. You were just standing at this front door.
Oh, Lord. That's...
I'm disabled. It takes me a minute to get out of bed.
Okay, somebody was standing right here. I heard them, so...
No.
Okay.
Cat, maybe.
I'm Officer Davis and I work for the Trumann Police Department. We received...
A call from my daughter because she's pissed off that I won't let her go to... My youngest go
to do a welfare check on a 10-year-old.
Go to Cherokee Village with her. She's in her room.
We'd like to see her, please. Step in here with you.
This is my bedroom. It's a mess. The rest of the house
Boddie?
is clean. Boddie's in the back, like he always is. He's not inside. This is my bedroom.
Where?
Huh?
And she's in here?
Yep. Her room is clean.
Hello. How are
You
you?
can just walk into to someone's bed, to her bedroom, just sitting on your bed, a little girl, and your mom and a police officer just walk into the room. Like, what's... I don't know what's going on.
Yeah. Oh, what's your name? Doing all right? Okay. We got to ask you to come over here and check on you. So.
Okay.
11:18. Boddie's back there somewhere. All right. Well, give me just a minute to go check on her.
How you doing?
Is
In the backyard or back of the house?
can I get to the back through here?
No.
Yeah.
What's his reason for checking on the rest of the house? If his welfare check is for that little girl, he's already checked on her and she seems well. Why is he checking the rest of the house? I'm not a lawyer. I'm just genuinely wondering, why does he need to go around the rest of the house? I guess, is he checking to make sure there's no other danger in the house? Like, maybe there's a man in there or something or whatever. I don't know.
Is anybody else in the house besides you two? Whose bed is this?
Yo, inside people's houses... Inside people's houses, man. Ugh.
What is that?
Now, I think many of us can agree our homes can get a little messy here and there, but probably not to the level officers described when responding to this home, especially with a young child in the home. The moment officers stepped inside the house, they noted being met with an overwhelming stench of ammonia. But Samantha and her 10-year-old daughter weren't the only ones on the property. There was a lot more waiting for officers beyond these walls.
Boddie Williams.
Oh. Oh, look at the bed. Why is the bed? Oh.
What are you doing?
What is going on? Why does it?
Who's in there with you? Huh?
Couple of friends.
Sit through here. Saved your life, Kevin.
That's some kind of nasty trap house kind of something that there.
Okay, all right. There's a lot to unpack here. There's a lot to unpack here. Y'all, step out one at a time, please.
There's a lot to unpack here. There's a lot to Okay. Well, this is a panel discussion.
One at a time. One at a time. Calm down. Yep. Okay.
I'm sorry.
The officer is on a friggin' panel discussion. The man said there's a lot to unpack here.
Eyes on everybody's hands, please. Everybody keep your hands where they can be seen when you step out here, okay? Come around back.
But lawfully, though, I am wondering up until this point, like lawfully, what is the problem? The people them just nasty. I don't see what law they're breaking necessarily.
All three of them are searchable, one at a time.
Is the officer yakking? Y'all must smell so bad.
Wong, you copy?
Yeah, I'm coming.
Dispatch route with last name. I know
Arnold.
Doris Arnold. Kevin Jones. Boddie Williams.
We done deal with she's like,
How you doing? You call probation control, see if somebody can search her. Or Amy. You have Amy? See if Amy can find her. All of his pockets? Yep.
I'm still trying to understand what is his cause here. Is it that he saw, because this guy's smoking a cigarette, so it's not like you catch him smoking crack or something or whatever. I mean, has he observed something illegal or something that's going on? I'm wondering why is the police I don't know. I mean, I'm not.
Them cigarettes, Kevin. Don't take your hand up. Take your hand up. There you go.
Is it because they were hiding in that room? The officer, you remodeling for them?
Me?
Go ahead,
The rat and roach inside there, man, must be crawling with critters.
Out of Trumann, NCO was suspended.
Rat, bat, roach, everything.
It was high-fatty only. She does have state and federal numbers. She's a probably to Christy Gardner. She is under active supervision, and the search waiver is on file.
Good boy.
She's on for 50 years.
how do you even begin to find things in that space, man? That's the thing about it too. Like, how do you even conduct a proper search?
Kevin Jones, black male, shown to be expired, suspended ID. State federal. Shown to be paroled Joseph Lawrence. Active supervision, search for criminal file. That'd be for Kevin Jones, date of birth 11/17 of 81.
Simple.
D1 51 on Boddie.
Go ahead.
What are these items? That you're blocking
Boddie
out?
Williams, white male, Harrisburg, shown to be suspended ID. Extensive previous traffic. State and federal numbers. 56.
Okay, so you were dispatched. I'm not taking over. Read everybody the Miranda rights.
The contents in the little baggie didn't look too good. Police later confirmed they found meth in the shed and meth pipes. So, one by one, Samantha's boyfriend, Boddie Williams, and his friends were all placed under arrest.
If everybody would, please, pick an officer, turn around, put your hands on your
I mean, surprise, surprise, right? I guess that's his. I guess it's just the fact that the place looks like a meth place, like it looks like people doing drugs. That's his probable cause. Or was he informed about that before?
Good. Then double lock.
Shut 3 and shut 3.
Wait a minute. Oh, yeah. You say it on yours.
Hey, have you lift yet?
Can you pick up Mr. Rick, please? Throw my mouth.
They're smoking. No, man.
Nobody move.
But these people, you're not handcuffed and smoking. She need a pull. Look here. She need a pull and cigarette. Watch that. Wow.
Nobody move.
I'll swap you, let you finish. It ain't terrible in here, but you definitely need to look through everything. This was sitting, I believe it was sitting right here. So,
Why would they allow them to smoke if they're handcuffed? To me, that don't even make no sense.
Oh yeah, that's a good bag dope.
little bag. Probably a little less than an 8 ball, but it's almost there.
Take a picture of.
You could hurt somebody with a lit cigarette in your mouth. You could turn around and, spit it at the officer or do something. You could. Why would I allow? I mean, I don't. Is this the discretion of the officer, or why would I allow you to smoke while you're handcuffed? It just doesn't. You can't even. Anyway.
Not enough.
They just need to bulldoze this entire property and start over. They'll never be able to get this stink out of that place. I don't know if one glove would be enough for me to be walking up in there like that. I'm sorry. I'm gonna need some kind of a suit. I'll need a suit. The stink is gonna be all in my hair. It's gonna be on my face, my skin. I'm gonna come home smelling like that place. My clothes are gonna stink. I'm gonna need a suit to be up in that place. This is why I can't be an officer.
Yeah. search that whole
everything.
area. Yeah.
No, you just have enough that you need. You, you need to do a thorough sweep of that place. Y'all need to get the friggin' DNA squad to come in here, the forensic squad to come in here and blue light that whole place. Because some bad things have happened in there, I'm telling you.
Alright, just secure it all in the vehicle.
That bed, y'all need to get some blue light on that bed. Fast.
Make sure the door's locked. Okay.
Officers observed not only drugs and drug paraphernalia, they also observed fleas, gnats, nearly a dozen cats roaming around, which meant the property was coated in cat urine and feces.
No way. What? Oh. Yeah, I can smell the ammonia is bad enough.
This is the bed she referenced. I'm betting that laptop's his.
Listen, y'all, there's a isn't there some parasite or something? Some lives in cat urine or something like that. Isn't there a parasite? Let me see. Probably the Toxoplasma gondii, which causes the found in cat feces. Yeah, not typically urine though. Humans usually get it from contaminated soil, undercooked meat, or water, not direct urine contact, but exposure to infected litter boxes is a risk. Yo, y'all need to get that girl to the hospital and get her sorted out. Y'all need to get no kid should have to grow up in a place like this. I'm sorry. This is just criminal.
No, just to go outside. That's it.
I don't know what that was.
I don't either. Or that one. There was allegedly dogs somewhere, but they're claiming there's no dogs on the property. So.
Oh, so y'all got a call from someone. Somebody reported this.
Trevor, give me your work phone.
How y'all staying up in that stink so long, Dread? I would be spitting and spitting and spitting. I would need to come out, get some fresh air, and come back in there. And I'm gonna need a suit. Y'all need to bring a suit. Y'all need to get a suit. It doesn't even need to be like a full-on hazmat suit, but it needs to be something that can, or at least masks, like proper masks or something, because all that nastiness that y'all breathing in, I don't know what kind of mold and what kind of nastiness up inside of there. Fleas and ticks and stuff like that. Y'all gonna need like a chemical bath when you're done. You can't go home with nah, sir.
DHS is on the way.
Crandon County?
Somebody named Leah.
Oh, she's from here.
Oh, there is a room back there.
I think this may be the kids' room.
Kids' room's over there. Kids' room's bad.
This looks like...
Well, the kid was in that room. So.
Okay. There's crayons and stuff over here. Backpack. This looks like...
You know, this is not poverty, you know, because I'm seeing items that suggest that y'all ain't poor. Y'all getting money from somewhere. You know, you got fans and you got little bottles of things and stuff. You have non-essential items, so it's not abject poverty or anything. This is just damn nastiness is what it is. Nasty. You could be a criminal and still be clean. You can be a clean criminal, can't you? Maybe not. I don't know. I ain't touching none of them sheets, bro. No, I don't.
Matter of fact, we've documented on body cam the living conditions.
Yeah.
This isn't worth it. I can't read through it.
It may very well not be in here. I think if it is, it's up there in her front room, but
They're looking for something specific.
that's terrifying.
I'm glad that the officers are like sufficiently horrified by this, because at first I wondered, I'm like, these guys must be, I mean, if you're police officers, I imagine you probably see just the worst things ever on a daily basis, or maybe not, I don't know, but certainly more than the average person. You've been called to some pretty gnarly scenes, and you've seen some really dingy spots. So the fact that the officers are taken aback by this and that they're disgusted, it says, yeah, no, this ain't normal. Because a part of me was wondering, I'm like, do many people just live like this, and it's just me being snobbish or something? But no, the officers are appropriately appalled.
Is there any food here at all?
That's what I'm looking for.
There's some cereal right here.
Oh.
There's food there.
I don't know what this qualifies, little man.
I'm surprised I haven't seen rats jumping onto everything. Rats and roaches. I mean, I guess like any rats and roaches would be hiding now, but to me, I'm expecting as soon as you open any cupboard, any cabinet, you just flooded with rats and mice and roaches and shit like that.
It's all packaged individually, but man,
It's still, even that, the ammonia levels in here, and there's everywhere. But it's more than just animals.
you get a picture of this whole room?
Yeah, I got.
About this one? This is kid's room that I was telling you about.
I got pictures every corner. Oh yeah, this is kids' room.
She brought me in here. See, it's clean, it's fine. So,
It's not clean.
It's the cleanest room in the house, so that's why she brought you there. First, she thought that you would have just stayed there.
she was
They weren't expecting you to check the rest of the place.
laying on this bed, dude. Cages.
According to police, the 10-year-old girl was visibly embarrassed about the state of her home. The little girl told officers she couldn't even remember the last time she ate. Police also confirmed there was minimal food in the kitchen. But the biggest surprise, though, the little girl revealed there was something else the officers had to see.
I bet Boddie knows what that is.
Deer don't have teeth like that, do they?
I mean, that would be the back.
No, flip the skull back around. That's a freaking dog, dude. That's a dog.
Take photos of that too.
That is a dog head.
You can tell by the back teeth.
They're probably not going to be able to do anything.
They took the dog.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah, I remember that.
Yeah.
Find that number.
It's a dog. Cool.
Humane Society?
Yeah. Contact them.
Sam
I don't
can't take
know.
cats, can she?
No.
We don't have anywhere to house them. And she's off. She had teeth pulled. She's on medication.
I don't know how many cats there are.
Are you guys gonna get all the cats out of the house?
Yeah, we're gonna make sure they're
try.
getting taken care of. That way they don't starve or die in the house or anything, okay?
What if
So the little girl, it seems like the little girl is the one who called or something.
It's
jumper? I believe so.
Some of the dead cats are in the freezer, so you might want to go in there and take pictures.
Some of the what now?
Dead cats are in the freezer.
Dead cats are in the freezer.
Yeah.
I didn't know. No, I'm not doing that right.
We don't want to get sick.
Oh my God, the officer, he's over it.
And dying, okay?
That's what she said.
I appreciate it.
Yes, there's dead cats.
Yes, little
I'm
girl.
sorry, did I overlook that?
Rat them out.
Because now I'm thinking about animal cruelty.
One there. There's one back here.
She said there's 12.
Shut up, dude.
Nope, okay, not that one.
Okay, I just went in here. Oh my God.
What's that?
Is that what that is? Oh, that's not a cat.
Oh, dang.
Yo, you need gloves, my guy. You need gloves. You can't be touching up them people things with your bare hands.
It's probably these.
That's watermelon.
So these people are not poor. This is not poor people. These are nasty people.
Refrigerator, maybe?
There's a freezer right here as well, sorry.
I don't know if it's a fridge.
Oh.
I'm not even physically there, and I feel like I can smell this place myself from where I'm sitting.
Go get the kid. No, never mind, right there.
Oh, come on, dude. Come on. Oh my God.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, it's in both, Blaine. It's in both.
See, y'all, they're disturbing even my dog. Why were there dead cats in the freezer?
Trevor. Pictures? Yeah. Back room to the right, freezers. Take pictures. Yeah. They're in both of them. We need good pictures.
I would fight hard for that. See that, big sister? Do you have a good...
This guy, you could tell that this guy is a little traumatized from that, because he's breathing heavily as if almost like he just ran. He didn't lift anything. He didn't run. He didn't do anything strenuous, but he's like, oh, he's like, yo, this is too much to this is too much to bear. Oh yeah.
But you're not listening.
I don't have
Put your foot in the car now.
Are you in trouble?
Officials say 24 cats were found in that freezer. Officers noted the cats were severely emaciated, found in a curled position, which was suggestive that they were frozen alive. DHS removed the 10-year-old girl from the home and placed her into the care of her adult sister. Both Samantha Platz and her boyfriend, Boddie Williams, were charged with 24 counts of aggravated animal cruelty. Samantha also...
They were frozen alive? Why? I can't. Oh my gosh. I don't even. That is. Woo! That's crazy.
Also faced a charge of endangering the welfare of a minor in the second degree. In December of 2025, Boddie...
Charge them with just damn nastiness. You need a law? You need a law called the Damn Nastiness Law. The Damn Nastiness Act of 2026. And that's what you need. And you're going to charge them with infinity counts of unlawful damn nastiness. That's what you need to charge them with.
He negotiated a plea deal for one count of aggravated cruelty to a dog or a cat. He avoided jail time and was sentenced to 36 months of probation. Under the conditions of his plea deal, Boddie Williams cannot own or be around pets. As for Samantha Platz, she's reportedly still awaiting trial.
He shouldn't be around people. What pets? Keep him away from everybody and everything. Jano, I need to know, why did they freeze the cats alive? I need more information than this. This is crazy. What is that about? Is this some kind of a oh man, I need to bathe and pray after this. I'm gone. That's it. I'm done.